Good morning, students. Yesterday we found that in the Midnight Visitor, Ozable's hotel, when Fowler enters, they encountered with a stranger. The stranger was not an easygoing person. He was a spy who came there to rob Ozable with the report. He was having an automatic pistol pointed at Ozable, but this certain and sudden danger didn't have any impact on Ozable. He just started talking another thing. He was complaining about a balcony. You don't know whether the balcony exists or not. But he is talking about the balcony and he is complaining that his balcony, it is not his balcony but a neighbor's balcony which is connected with the solitary window of his room. And through that passage, someone entered his room last month, 15 days back. And he complained against this to the management, who promised that they would block it. But now it is found that they didn't keep their word. But Max, that stranger who came there to rob the report, he told that he was quite unaware about that balcony. If he had known, he would not use a pass key, rather he would use the balcony. Now, Max glanced at Fowler, who was standing stiffly, not far from Ozable. Why stiffly? Because he was not accustomed to this sort of incident. He was quite affrighted and waved the gun with a commanding gesture. "Please sit down," he said. "We have a wait of half an hour, I think." He told. 31 minutes, Ozable said moodily, as if he was counting beat by beat, second by second. So he wanted to be exact. And out of his exactness, what he told? No, it's not half an hour or 30 minutes. Rather, it would be correct if you spell out the right thing. That is 31 minutes. 1 minute more than half an hour. The appointment was for 12:30. The appointment was for 12:30. "I wish I knew how you learned about the report, Max." Little Spy smiled evilly. "And we wished we knew how your people got the report. But no harm has been done. I'll get it back tonight." What is that? Who is at the door? That time suddenly there was a knocking at the door, and that made Max startled. He has come there to steal the report. Now, who has come?